This is a borehole job in a very beautiful part of the world, and we have custom built plant room. Boreholes inside, that feeds full water tank, then boosted off. Media filtration, iron removal, 5 micron, treated water tank, then inverter driven pump again, 5 micron UV, that into supply. The groundwater here is quite hard, iron and manganese present, a little bit hydrogen sulfide, nothing too bad though. So we designed and built a complete system, including electrical panels, did all the interconnects and wiring. As you can see, very neat job. All tips, rubber lines as they should be, and properly installed. So if you need a borehole, call Invicta Water Treatment on 01293 781 077 and talk to Stefan, and he will design you and install a fully compliant borehole system. Thank you very much.